Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this small video about pound and pound index and pound pairs. So let's get started. This is pound index chart. I made a video a few days ago, similar, and it was pound index was still at that TL. You can see that this is the current candle, very small one, and then we have the candle before is an IB, in sidebar, what do you call it, right? And it's at the TL, and it's just sitting there for last. This is the fourth week, by the way. And it's 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth candle that has touched the TL and stays below. That's very important. And this is also fib. If you draw the fib, this length from here to here, it's exactly at 78%, and there are a couple of highs and lows, the levels, right? So regardless, the TL, the 78%, is very important. It's significant. Why? Because there's another pairs doing just the same, and then these 2 or 3 different pairs doing the same thing. It becomes very powerful. That means that this is what it is. Now pound index, if it start dropping, pound is going to get weaker, and most of the pairs, only except only one pair, euro pound is on the right hand side, but all the other pound is always on the right hand side, right? And if pound index start dropping, pound is going to get weaker. Then what will happen to those pair? They will all be going down. So let's go take a look. First pair I'm going to show you, which is very important, that I made the chart exactly the same, is pound yen. This is the pound yen weekly chart right now, and it is doing just the same. This is a big number here, 4,000 on the monthly high, 140 actually, I call it 4,000. And then see, this one is like 139.83, right? So it's sitting at the TL, and I think that the pound index is gonna drop, and this right from here is gonna drop at least to this level here, and then we may bounce from there, something like a Gertley pattern, X, A, B, C, right? And then we go for D, or we may continue go to the downside. Another pair, all pound pair, you have to consider to the downside now because of the index, right? But let me show you another one that I made, is like a pound CAD. You see this is the lowest, 70.52. It's getting a stop here, 1, 2, 3, 3 candles so far. Last 3 weeks it's getting stopped. This is from the high to low, it's 61%. And if index drop where it is now, exactly from there, then this is gonna drop as well. Now I see the pound is getting ready to get strong again as well, so that will that will like add fuel to the fire, kind of thing. And pound CAD can drop big time. And another factor for pound yen, again we go there, pound yen can drop big time. Why? Because this is I made the chart here, this one, right? So a few days ago, right? And you can see that we are now, in this chart you can see that I said from this, or we go one more time again to 53.61, hit the TL, and then drop. So that's what exactly we did so far in this week, Monday and Tuesday, and today Wednesday starting. So we are very close now to 53.61 again, and if we start dropping here, then yen is going to get strong. There we just saw that pound index is supposed to drop, and pound is going to get weaker, right? Yen index, by the way, is just the opposite. When it drops, yen gets strong. Remember that. So what will happen to pound yen? It's gonna tank big time. So we have a big opportunity coming in. If I'm right, you have thousands of pips coming in your way. So get ready and roll your sleeves and be ready for when the game starts. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys. Again, these are the very important charts, and then there are pound News is doing the same thing, pound USD doing the same thing. They are at the levels and ready to drop. So if for just in case if the news comes out, some good news come out from the UK, right, and pound may get strong, right? That can happen. So pound may can just pop and then go to these levels. So then this video will be completely null and void. But if we stay here and start dropping, then the game will begin. Okay, and now I'm waiting for that. and hopefully when I take my trades, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'll post on my website and here, there, different places, and you can see that. I had a couple of already yesterday, and between Monday and Tuesday, I had a couple of pound pairs trades, which I will be posting later on. So this is it for now, and be ready for this game to start. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.